Welcome back, guys, Crypto Follow channel. Let's take a look at the ENA targets updates with my customer Kaser. In this video, I would like to show you the greatest example just for the future to understand. No makes sense. Follow the venture funds on or some big companies portfolios or the moves or investments, whatever, or even the pay attention of the media. The same story about the Micah Saylor, about a BTC, because the people blindly believe what Saylor did, it's right. Take a look, the World Liberty Finance, Trump family, right? They accumulated ENA in 2024, and the average entry here on the drop sub, you can track the World Liberty Finance holding portfolio. And here, I remember that post. So they screaming, "We go into the moon," because the World Liberty Finance accumulated ENA aggressively, over than 4 million they bought. And what do we can see? Here, 87% down. Average entry, 89. So approximately the entry was around here. Kind of fun, right? Almost around the all-time high. So maybe they buying for the spot and open the huge short position? We can't know. We can't know. But guys, if you follow just blindly all of these gurus or the big funds, people who blindly follow the World Liberty Finance because, oh, it's a Trump family, they knew something, this is insider here. They dump now 87%. And the same way, guys, they dump, for example, here 90% with EOS. So what do we can see? I believe the ENA will be around $1, but it can be the end of hype of ETHENA around here. We're gonna test the yearly open trend line, and it will be the over the 8 billion market capitalization, all-time high by market cap. So all-time high by market cap now it's around 6 billion. If and when we will bounce back to the $1 or maybe sweep of the this yearly open 25 high, something here. Everybody's screaming we're going to the moon, to the new all-time high, but it can be the potential end of run ETHENA, because it's going to be the new all-time high on market capitalization. Of course, market capitalization is not also like an option where we have to pay attention so seriously, because it's just a formula of the tokens multiplied to the price. So here, anyway, it can be $1.10, $1.05. It can be the end of run of ETHENA. And maybe, of course, we will see something like this one here. Retest this trend line, 50% of this impulse to 50 cents and go higher. Possible. Maybe we're going to form the triple bottom. But on the DYDX example, guys, triple bottom, it's also not a 100% pattern which will play out for the upside move, for example, because the DYDX formed the triple bottom. We pump it, but after that, dump it to 6 cents. So, guys, all of these patterns works probably only after the fact. So pay attention. 54% tokens only unlock it. So we will see the more unlocks with the best in shadow. But what is good and why this token can pump? Because if the World Liberty Finance and insiders around have a plan to out at a break even, from now, I think it's not a mistake to buy now ENA at 11, because just by logic, if that smart guys want to return money back and not cut the losses over the $5 million in ETHENA, I think they can push the price up. Not with the purchases, just with the media posts. Who control the media, control the world. Pretty simple. And now that we can see some positive news about ETHENA and climb it up to their entry, maybe they will out at the break even. We need to track the portfolio of World Liberty Finance. In Arkham, you can track it and add alerts. The same like I now track the DWF Labs. I showed you examples. So yes, by logic, just by logic, not by TA, just by logic, yes, we can hit the $1. New all-time high by market capitalization. over the break-even price for World Liberty Finance Trump family, and yes, it can be the good exit, like round number, and the test of the daily line chart, trend line, and the sweep of the yearly open. Now let's double check the take profit trade on. Here, take profit line, now it's 59.44, exit line is 66.88. So definitely we will test some of these levels. With a weak candle, it can be a test of the yearly open. It's on a weekly time frame. The value of this ENA now, it's 22 cents. So ENA is underrated now, so underrated. Daily, here, I hope the spring will be green for this tokens. We hold the line exactly at the value of the token. We saw the 1, 2, 3 signals to buy, so no signals to sell yet. You can trade, and for example, if you buy now 11, 22 at 23, you withdraw initial deposit, or at take profit or exit line, withdraw initial deposit. You talk about a break of structure on the daily, we need to break this high. So let's mark it's like a break of structure, this one. And yes, if, for example, in spring, we will see in the March something like this one, retest, here it can be the May 2026. So this is it. It's hard to predict the time, guys, and no makes sense to try even predict the time. ADZ direction. This is accumulation, so it's good. On the daily, this is accumulation since February 22. This is accumulation on the weekly, so it's definitely bullish. What I don't like, we didn't see the money inflow on the weekly, but maybe soon we will see this one. Alerts still relevant, so I'm waiting. Market smooth. It's capitulation on the weekly, capitulation disbelief on the daily. Maybe enterprise. It's just some news. Nothing special. I thought it's something will be from World Liberty Finance again. But of course, maybe they also an option. Maybe they accumulate ENA on other wallets. So we can track only the wallet of main one, World Liberty Finance, but they can accumulate with 100 wallets, different one, at 11, for example. So the average entry now it's around 55 or even 40. So think about it. Take profit, I showed you. Trade on, I showed you. Trade on, I would like to track on a weekly. I forgot it. Sell, this is what I don't like. We didn't see the take profit signal yet. Strong buy signal, but let's add first the take profit. Take profit from the sales. And we already saw it here. Take profit. On the H bar, we saw it. On the move, we saw it. And on other ones, just recently, I showed you on the Polkadot. Even on the Polkadot, we saw the take profit from the sales. That's why I wish to see the same signal, take profit. So we need to close all short position. And after that, we will see some maybe signal to buy. In the same way, we saw the signal to take profit on the weekly time frame, the third time in history on the BTC. So guys, just wait how we're gonna close this month on the BTC. Track BTC dominance. Don't follow blindly all of these venture funds and even the big influencer. Just work with your own money management and risk management, add alerts to ENA, and be ready to fix step by step or mark some levels where you would like to. You will feel comfortable to out of this token. And so don't waste the stable coins. If you opt in, for example, at 80 or even at $1, don't waste the time with to building the good average entry. Better use that stable coins to invest at the lowest price in some fresh new token. You'll get more profit than just build a average entry for some token which in downtrend since 2023 or 4. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about ETHENA. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.